Thank you, sir.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Ritesh. I am from Delhi and I have completed my BTech degree at 85%. And there are
Your
four,
pass out year
ma'am, 2022.
2022. So
Yes,
why
sir.
the year gap of 2022 till 2025?
After my graduation, I was working in a heat treatment plant, which is 2 years. And after that, I got to know about the merchant navy. And from past
From where you get to know about merchant
through
navy?
internet.
Through internet. And what's the basic difference which you found out between the merchant navy and Indian navy?
Indian Navy towards more focus on the defense part, which is related to the protects the our country, and Merchant Navy related to commercial transport, which is transport the goods to the one place to another
So in
place.
which year you get to aware about merchant navy ki yes, you will be actually a part of merchant navy? Which year approx?
2024.
2024.
Yes.
And it's your degree and BTech degree in mechanicals.
Yes, ma'am.
So why you pursue BTech degree? What's the plan for that?
Because I was when I took admission in BTech, so I searched a lot of through the internet and saw a lot of videos, and then I
So why
fascinated by the
this
machinery.
only
That's why I took.
this mechanical part? Why you want to put yourself in mechanical stream only after 12th?
Ma'am, I didn't did a 12th
Okay.
12th. I did a diploma. After that, I took admission into
It's
the
very nice aggregate of yours in your BTech. It's 80 approx.
85.
So why you don't want to put yourself in any other reputed companies and colleges? Why so challenging job you want to opt for?
Ma'am, because I worked in a heat treatment plant for 2 years and I saw there is a very less chances. If I talk about the promotional aspect, is very less, and the salary increments is too low. After working 2 years, then the salary increment was too low. That's why I switched my
So
career to.
basically you want to be a part of merchant navy domain because of your finances?
Not uh, it might be the one of the reason. There are several reasons in the to join
Any
merchant navy.
reference?
No, ma'am.
So what the basic difference, disadvantages and advantages in this domain?
Hi GME aspirant, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. If you want to prepare on your own, information is the key. Download Merchant Navy Start app right now and start preparing. Suppose if you want to stay in the comfort of your home and prepare, then GME live classes are available on Merchant Navy Decoded platform. At least you can get for discussions and what you have to study, how you have to study and how much you have to study. Very important. Suppose you are looking at faster results ASAP. Why don't you come to SMVD Marine Academy offline coaching? Yes. Amazing mock interviews, amazing atmosphere, amazing results. More than 150 selections in 1 year. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Result is yours.
In which, ma'am?
We're talking about merchant navy only?
Advantages of the we get to know about the different cultures of the world, and we get hands to hand experience of the different types of machinery, and we get financial stability at very early age.
What do you think? Communication or discipline? Which is more important on ship?
I think both are the most important factors which we have inside us. But if I would prefer to choose one of them, then I would prefer to choose discipline more.
Discipline. In your terms, what do you mean by discipline?
In discipline, in which we do things on the daily basis without any excuses. We have to follow the timetable or routine on a daily basis without any excuses.
How many crew members will be a part on ship?
Uh, 14 to 15
14 to 15 crew members.
on the ship.
How many GME?
5 to 6.
5 to 6.
Graduate marine engineer is one, and if I talk about the whole engineers, then it is around 5 to 6.
What are the roles, basic roles and responsibilities of GME?
Graduate marine trainee marine engineer has a several duties. First of all, safety is related thing. First of all, we have to know about the protection, personal equipment. We have to maintain. We have to wear the boiler suit, boots,
Okay.
and gloves.
Okay.
Helmets.
Are you aware yourself, updated yourself as current affairs, what's going around the world? What's a recent topic, a controversial topic in NCR regarding with the street dogs, 11th of August by Supreme Court?
Yes, ma'am. Because of dogs causes a rabies a lot of peoples. That's why Supreme Court gives a judgment or gives a statement
Very
towards
nice. And
towards
what your
us.
views regarding with that?
First of all, government should take initiative to develop the proper arrangement and arrangement for the dogs. Then we should take a next step towards the dog put into something kind of area which is developed by the government. But there is no any proper arrangement for the dogs. That's why it is too early to put the dogs into it.
Okay.
So you worked at heat treatment plant, right?
Yes.
So what was your jobs and responsibilities there?
Sir, first of all, we have to monitor the furnace
Hmm.
temperature,
Hmm.
and we have to preserve the samples, and we have to collect
Hmm.
the samples, and then we have to test the samples.
Hmm.
These are my jobs.
So what do you understand by this term heat treatment process?
Heat treatment process is a process in which we treat the material
Hmm.
and gives the takes the chemical change the chemical and physical properties according to our requirements.
Okay, so what are the different heat treatment processes?
There are several many treatment processes: normalizing,
Hmm.
and annealing, hardening, tempering, and case hardening has a three different heat treatment process like carburizing, nitriding, and cyaniding.
So what is nitriding?
Nitriding is a process, it should be done before hardening and tempering. After that, this process nitriding should be done, in which we introduce a nitrogen particle into material. First of all, we heat the material 500 to 550 degrees Celsius, and we hold the material for certain time period, and then we do air cooling in it. So during holding, we have to put the material into the nitrogen chamber. So nitrogen particle introduced on the surface of the material. So it hardened the material to increase the wear resistance and increase the hardness.
Explain the difference between hypoeutectoid steel and hypereutectoid steel.
Hypoeutectoid steel is like which has a value 0 to 0.8% carbon percentage in it, and hypereutectoid which has a value of carbon percentage which is 0.8 to 2%.
Okay. Material of cylinder liner.
A grey cast iron.
Why it is so?
Because grey cast iron has a graphite, and graphite has a properties of a self-lubricative properties, so it decreases the friction between them. So
Tell me the difference between grey cast iron and just cast iron.
sir, cast iron does not have the self-lubricative property, and grey cast iron has a self-lubricative property, and if cast iron has a more carbon percentage in it, and grey cast iron has a less carbon percentage, and it is basically grey cast iron is a alloy, and mixes with a graphite with cast iron and it is used for the various application like cylinder liner in the compressor, cylinder liner in the IC engine part.
Okay. Explain the difference between 4-stroke engine and 2-stroke engine.
Sir, 4-stroke engine gives 2 revolution of crankshaft, 1 power stroke is generated, and 1 revolution of crankshaft, 1 power stroke is generated. And sir, oil compression and oil scrapping ring is used in 4-stroke, and only compression ring is used in 2-stroke. And no piston rod in 4-stroke. There is a piston rod in a 2-stroke, and no stuffing box in 4-stroke. There is a stuffing box in a 2-stroke. And sir,
Explain scavenging process in 2-stroke engine.
Scavenging process in which we expel out the exhaust gases from the cylinder from the combustion chamber by introducing the fresh air or compressed air, which is coming from
Any
the
other function?
and it cools down the cylinder liner. It is the another function of a
What are the different types of scavenging process?
sir, uniflow and cross flow, and there are basically three types of scavenging process: uniflow and cross flow.
Yes. What is third one? What is governor?
Sir, governor is a part of it is used in a engine which is control the mean speed of engine by supplying of fuel. It's called governor. And
So what are the different types of governor?
Sir, there are basically three types of governors:
Hmm.
mechanical governor, electrical governor, and electronic governor. Mechanical governor, electronic governor, and hydraulic governor.
Okay. What is telegraph?
So, telegraph is in which we measure the frequency of earthquake.
Frequency of earthquake.
Sir, I'm not aware about.
Do
I'm
you
not
aware
sure.
about the various navigational equipments?
Uh, Sir, radar is
Hmm.
used in.
Radar. What is radar?
Sir, radar it detects the another vessel or another
Hmm.
any object into
Hmm.
any kind of area. So basically, it is used to detect any.
Different machineries inside the engine room.
Sir, boiler,
Hmm.
refrigeration,
Hmm.
and sir, freshwater generator,
Hmm.
and main engine,
Hmm.
and
Different components in refrigeration system.
Sir, basically there are four main components in refrigeration system:
Hmm.
compressor,
Hmm.
condenser,
Hmm.
thermostatic expansion valve,
Hmm.
and evaporator, and there are many more.
Name them.
Sir, if I talk about the uh, low pressure cutout switch,
Hmm.
high pressure
Hmm.
cutout switch, dryer, king
Hmm.
solenoid valve, thermostatic
How
switch.
king solenoid valve different from thermistor expansion valve?
Sir, king solenoid valve is basically allowed 100% flow, or either it does not allow any
Hmm.
flow,
Hmm.
and it is connected to the thermostatic switch.
So, what is the function of thermostatic expansion valve?
Sir, thermostatic expansion valve is located between the uh, condenser and evaporator, and it is converts the high pressure, medium temperature liquid refrigerant into low pressure, low temperature liquid refrigerant,
Okay.
and it regulates the flow of refrigerant, and it controls the degree of
So, how
superheat.
does it regulates the flow of liquid refrigerant from receiver to
Sir,
evaporator?
Sir, there is a sensing bulb on it, so it senses the temperature inside the evaporator. So if in sensing bulb, if liquid refrigerant convert into the vapor refrigerant, then it pushes down the diaphragm, and it will open the more opening in the thermostatic expansion valve, so it allow the more flow.
Any other different ancillary equipment which is incorporated with refrigeration system?
Sir, back pressure valve.
So, it works on which principle?
Sir, it works on Bernoulli's theorem and equation of continuity.
Tell me the unit of dynamic and kinematic viscosity.
Sir, dynamic viscosity is, if I talk about the SI unit, is Pascal second, which is Newton per meter square into second. And if I talk about the CGS unit of dynamic viscosity is poise. And if kinematic viscosity in SI unit is meter square per second, and CGS unit is centistroke.
Okay. So, which is your favorite subject?
Sir, refrigeration.
Refrigeration only.
Yes, sir.
So, what are the different electrical and electronic sensors is fitted inside the refrigeration system?
Sir, LP cutout switch, high HP cutout switch.
So, what actually LP cutout and HP cutout does?
Sir, LP cutout switch is located between the evaporator and the compressor. But if it senses the less pressure of a refrigerant, so it will gives a signal to the mainly to the starter. And the starter.
What is starter?
Sir, starter starts and stops the electrical motors.
It only starts and stuff.
And sir, it regulates the flow of current, flow of electron into it.
So, do you aware what are the different types of starter?
Sir, basically two types of different starter: delta starter and sir, delta and star connection starter.
So, star, delta, starter.
Delta,
Only one.
only one.
Not delta and star. Not separate starter.
Okay,
Star, delta, starter.
Yes, sir.
Consider as a first or number 2 starter. Before that, any other starter you know?
Star delta. Sir, I studied, but I can't.
So there is no such separate starter like star starter and delta starter. No, it is not like that. One single starter, that starter name is star delta starter. So
Okay, sir.
another starter, do you aware about this?
No, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's Ritesh.
Yes, sir.
सी नाइस। हाँ, काफ़ी अच्छा आपने परफॉर्मेंस दिया। आई नो ना कि सिलेक्शन हो गई, ठीक है, होगा, डोंट वरी। तो अब यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा जिसके चलते आपने एंग्लो में आपकी रिजेक्शन हुई, तो थोड़ी बहुत अभी भी वो चीज़ें मुझे दिख रही है, थोड़ी बहुत, काफ़ी थिंग्स एलिमिनेट कर चुके हो।
Yes, sir.
अब थोड़ी बहुत क्या मैंने क्वेश्चंस क्या पूछा था, एक्सप्लेन द फंक्शन ऑफ थर्मोस्टैटिक एक्सपेंशन वाल्व। आप कहाँ चले गए, लोकेशन, मैंने लोकेशन पूछा था क्यों?
No, sir.
तो हमेशा याद रखना है कि अननेसेसरी थिंग्स के साथ स्टार्ट नहीं करेंगे,
Okay, sir.
अननेसेसरी थिंग के साथ क्लोज कर सकते हैं,
Okay.
क्योंकि उसको जो सुनाना है ना, वो जितना जल्दी आप सुना पाओ, ये अपॉर्चुनिटी है ना भाई।
Yes, sir.
अगर इंटरव्यूअर ने पूछा कि टेल मी द फंक्शन ऑफ थर्मोस्टेट एक्सपेंशन वाल्व, अब आपने बोलना स्टार्ट कर दिया कि सर इट इज लोकेटेड इन बिटवीन रिसीवर एंड इवापोरेटर, तब तक वो समझ गया कि वो क्या कर रहा है, बातें घुमा रहा है। फंक्शन मीन्स सर देयर आर 3 डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फंक्शन। अब उसकी अटेंशन आपने क्या किया, गेन किया। अब वो सुनेगा कि भाई कौन सी 3 डिफरेंट फंक्शंस। नंबर 1 सर, इट रेगुलेट्स द फ्लो ऑफ लिक्विड रेफ्रिजरेंट। नंबर 2, it converts high pressure medium temperature low pressure low temperature.
Yes.
Number 3, it controls the degree of superheat at the outlet of the evaporator.
Yes, sir.
देन आपको कुछ चीजें अगर ऐसे बोलना है जहां पर आपको ऐसा लगे कि नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सके, तो आप बोल सकते हो सर इट रेगुलेट्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ सेंसिंग बल्ब एंड कैपिलरी ट्यूब विच इज कनेक्टेड विद द एक्सपेंशन वाल्व्स डायफ्रागम पार्ट। अब वो पूछ सकता है नाउ एक्सप्लेन इट।
Okay, sir.
समझ में आई बात
Yes, sir.
है?
Yes.
स्टिल थोड़ा सा आप मिस्टेक कर रहे हो, जो आपने बहुत ज्यादा मिस्टेक किया था एंग्लो की इंटरव्यू, उसको एलिमिनेट करना है। क्लियर? और जो आपने स्टार्टर की बात की ना, स्टार स्टार्टर, डेल्टा स्टार्टर, ये कंबाइंड होकर एक ही स्टार्टर है, स्टार डेल्टा स्टार्टर। अदर टाइप ऑफ स्टार्टर है DOL स्टार्टर।
Okay, sir.
क्लियर? ऑटो ट्रांसफॉर्मर स्टार्टर, ये अदर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ स्टार्टर है। क्लियर?
Okay, sir.
एंड रेस्ट पार्ट ठीक ठाक है, मतलब कर लोगे क्लियर, इसमें कोई डाउट है नहीं। ठीक है?
Thanks, sir.
मेरी तरफ से तो बेस्ट विशेस है Pritesh, very nice. Whether it's technical and non-technical,
Thank you.
you are perfect. But
you.
waiting for a great opportunity, right opportunity, and you will grasp that opportunity.
Yes.
Clear with this? Definitely. Abundant of blessings. Only one thing, lack of eye contact.
Yes, ma'am. I
Yes,
noticed it.
yes. So it's very important कि चाहे 3 पैनल मेंबर्स बैठे हों, कितने भी बैठे हों, you have to be eye contact with every single one, not for that one only जो आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है. Understand with this?
Yes.
Everything else it's perfect from my side.
Thank you.
Only wanted to get a news from your side कि yes selected.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, best wishes.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.